Hello and welcome to time series forecasting. In this video I'm going to show you an example of moving averages by looking at these annual electricity sales from 1989 to 2008. And looking at this series is clearly showing a trend, and we are interested in calculating moving averages to get a smoother series and extract this long-term trend from the series. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass our original data, and then I'm gonna use this function MA, and the first argument is gonna be the time series data that we are using, and the second argument will be the order of the moving average that we want to use, which in this case is 5. So we are calculating moving averages of order 5 here, and then I'm gonna label different components of this graph. And looking here, this red line is the moving average of order 5. So see here, this red line is much smoother than this gray line, because we are calculating the moving averages and getting a smoother series here. Also note here that we do not have a moving average for the first 2 years and the last 2 years because of the way moving averages are calculated. Also see here that this red line, which shows the moving averages, is following the original series pretty closely. So let's experiment a little bit and calculate a moving average of order 3 here, and see here now our red line or our moving average line is following our original data more closely. Let's calculate moving average of order 9, and we'll see that we are almost getting a straight line, but see here we are losing a lot of observations in the beginning of the time series and at the end of the time series. This is an example, and we see that actually if you calculate the average of the whole series and plot it here, you will get a straight line. Okay, so this was a way of calculating moving averages, and starting from the next video we will talk about various decomposition methods that we will use to decompose a series into 3 components that I talked about. Alright, I'll see you in the next video to talk about classical decomposition. Bye bye.